We gotta introduce ourselves.
No, just keep it going because I can just cut it out.
Okay, if you want to do
Hi. I'm Michaela.
that. I'm Julia.
This is our graph.
This is the height of the ball. This is the height of the ball, and this is the distance it went out.
This is Mrs. Lloyd's graph.
This is the height of her ball, and this is how far out hers went.
Our regression equation is this.
Y equals negative 0.61x squared plus 11.53x plus 13.11.
So, for part B, what was the maximum height the ball reached? How far from the thrower did your ball reach that height? Is there a name that you would call that point, graphically speaking? So the height was 9.39, 67.23, and that's the maximum height, which is called the vertex.
What is your y-intercept? What does it mean in this given scenario? It is the height of the ball. It's the height that the ball started at, and it was 0.13.11.
How far from where the thrower was standing will the p-ball hit the ground? What is that point called, graphically speaking? That point is called x, and it's 19.8, 0.
If you were trying to throw your ball into a trash can that is 18 inches high, how far away from the thrower would you place the trash can? Find y equals 18 on the graph. We have to do part C.
And for part C,
Mrs. Lloyd also threw the ball. The path her ball traveled can be represented by the equation y equals negative 0.336x squared plus 7.382x plus 56.582. Use this information in the information from parts A and B to answer the following questions.
include a picture of your data and regression equation. So this is our data and our regression equation. And then Mrs. Lloyd's is this graph, and her equation is was said before. Mrs. Lloyd's ball went higher because, as you can see, ours is wider and hers is narrower. More narrow. Whose ball went higher overall? So that was Mrs. Lloyd's because her maximum was 9.39, 67.23, and ours was 10.99, 97.12.
Whose ball went farther? Provide mathematical justification for your answer. Our ball went further because it is further down on the x-axis, or further across.
So yeah. Compare the two equations and graphs. There are similarities between the equations. Okay, so Mrs. Lloyd's graph is much higher and thinner, and her equation numbers were larger than ours. Our graph is not quite as high, and it's much wider than hers. Sorry. And our equation numbers weren't as large.
Thanks for watching.